My name is Celeste, and today I'll be giving you a brief explanation and examples for Mohs Mineral Hardness Scale. Mohs Mineral Hardness Scale measures the hardness of minerals found on Earth and places them in a category from 1 to 10, 1 being the softest, like talc, and 10 being the hardest, like a diamond. The only mineral that is an exception to this scale is mercury, because mercury is a liquid. I'm also going to give you a brief description on what these minerals are used for, as well as how you can test these minerals' hardness at home, in a lab, or in the field. Minerals with a hardness 1 and 2. On your left is talc, and on your right is gypsum. Talc is the softest mineral that has a hardness of 1 and can be scratched with a fingernail. Talc is also used in talcum powder. Gypsum has a hardness of 2 and can also be scratched with a fingernail, and it is a main ingredient in plasters. You can test these minerals for their hardness just by simply running your fingernail over them, and if they break away, their hardness is a 1 or a 2. Calcite has a mineral hardness of 3, and you can test for this hardness with a copper penny. If the copper penny scratches the mineral, then it has a hardness of 3. Calcite is used in cements. Hardness 4 and 5. On your left is fluorite, and it can be scratched with a nail, like a carpenter's nail. On your right is apatite, and can also be scratched with a nail. Fluorite is used in toothpaste as well as water systems and is a very common mineral. Apatite can be found in your bones. It is a mineral that helps your bones stay strong. Hardness 6. Feldspar is a very relatively common mineral that can be found in granite and used as countertops, and it is also an ingredient in glass making. Feldspar has a hardness level of 6 and can be scratched with a steel file. Hardness 7 and 8. On your left is quartz, another very relatively common mineral, and on your right is a topaz. Both of these minerals can scratch glass. Quartz is also an ingredient in glass making, and topaz is a gemstone that is often worn by women for fashion. Hardness 9. Corundum. Corundum can scratch topazes and can also scratch glass. Corundum is more commonly known as rubies and sapphires and is also worn as women's fashion, and also can be found in expensive jewelry. Hardness 10. A diamond. A girl's best friend. Diamonds can scratch corundum, and it also can scratch glass. Diamonds are common for fashion, for engagement rings, and is not as rare as you may think it is. It is actually very common.